The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Wow, my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Yes, big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. Alright, so I have some things I want to talk to you about. And before I get started, I would like to encourage each and every one who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, I read more than one news article that gave me the understanding that those news articles are saying that YouTube removed R. Kelly official YouTube channels a week after his sex trafficking conviction. According to some more things that I read in at least one of those news articles, I got the understanding that a spokesperson for YouTube gave reasons why those channels had been removed. Now, because I don't want to make any mistake, I'm going to read out just a part of the news article that I saw. You see what I said? Now listen. The news article said, a YouTube spokesperson said the decision was based on the singer abusing his power in the music industry to commit crimes, and that his actions were a violation of the company's creator responsibility guidelines. Yes, sir, my people. And let me say these things, you know. But these are the understandings that I got from those news articles that I read. You see it? Yeah. Crime no pay. Crime don't pay. Trust me, crime don't pay. You understand? So let me know what you think about that whole situation there, alright? Next topic. Now, I got information that residents from a community within the parish that is known as St. Mary, that's within the country that is known as Jamaica, complained about fly infestation and bad stench caused by a chicken farm within the community. Allegedly, it is said that the chicken farm belongs to a politician within the country of Jamaica who goes by the name of Crawford. According to more information that I got the understanding that residents within that community said that flies are making their lives unbearable. At least one person complained about flies pitching on her skin. According to some more things that a few persons have said during interviews, I got the understanding that persons are saying that flies are going inside of their house. At least one person said that flies pitch on her skin and drink water from off her skin when she come out of the shower. And at least one person complained about flies falling into persons' drinks. See? Other things have been said as well, viewers and subscribers. As I say, and overall, persons are complaining about the stench coming from the chicken farm and fly infestation. So I got the understanding that at least one person from a news team tried to contact Crawford. However, it was unsuccessful. And I also got the understanding that an employee of the chicken farm said that they are aware of the situation and that an equipment was or is damaged. See? So viewers and subscribers, the things that I just told you are not word for word as to how I got those informations, but I'll just give you the understanding that I got from those informations, alright? Anyways, now we'll move on to another topic. Now, I got information that a Sprint Airlines airplane caught on fire after a bird flew in one of its engines during takeoff at an airport in New Jersey, United States of America. The incident happened on the 2nd of October, the year 2021. And I also got the understanding that over 100 passengers was on that plane. Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video is going to show how at least some of those persons came off the plane during the incident, alright? Now, this video will be recorded by one of those persons who was inside of the plane. See? So please bear that in mind. Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Remain seated, remain seated, remain seated. Remain seated. Remain seated.
Some of them people are panicking. Some of them people are panic.
Don't panic, everybody.
You hear that?
They're on their way.
You hear that? You hear
Not
that?
have to get up. Please remain seated.
You see?
Please remain seated. They're on their way. Everything will be fine.
Walk on this.
Holy shit.
Oh shit!
Walk on this.
Oh my god!
Watch
Oh my
it.
god!
Look at it, look at it.
We have to get out of here. Right in there.
Smoke.
Relax.
When it comes down to a situation like that, now, people, some people will panic, you know. Some, not all. See, you might not get everybody to stay calm, but you have to try and make sure you tell them to stay calm when it comes down to a situation like that. Because you can do more damage than good. You can harm persons. You understand? Harm yourself too. If you decide to, you're going to rush and
Stop
run out
smoking.
and
Everybody relax.
see it? It look like the fire or the smoke kind of calm down right there, so you see it. You hear the noise there? When it comes down to a situation like that, most likely some form of fire team will respond as swift as possible. You see? Yeah, no. Yeah, no.
Are we taking our bags or what are we doing?
A situation like that can be scary, my people. And I really can be scary. And I go pretend like something grave if me in a situation like that.
Leave everything. Leave everything.
Me would have been somewhat.
Leave everything. Leave
Can be calm and not scared. You are telling the truth, but May that try to see if you can stay calm still, you know? Now I act like me see. You see what going on, yes. You see and what going on.
I can help with her when you get to
Everything. Will assist those that need assistance. Quickly, please come forward.
Jump and slide.
Jump and slide. Jump and slide.
Jump and slide.
Give me your purse. Give me your purse.
Okay. Yeah. That's something there. Well, look like most of our video record come out safety now. See what going on the outside. See what
Everyone can move over
Hold
to the
up,
left side of the aircraft.
camera. Oh, where am I going? Oh. Okay.
Help that lady. Help that lady.
I know
Get the
situation
dog.
that-
Come here, dog. Come here. Come here, puppy. Watch out, watch out. Get the dog. Come here. Come here, pup.
Watch out.
Get the dog. Come here.
Watch out.
Come here, puppy. Get the dog. Get the dog.
Poor puppy. Poor puppy, but they are, you know. Let's see. You know, this is not a laughing matter still, my people. Even though you see me a smile, this is not a laughing matter. Even though you see me a smile. See me, I said, this is a serious situation.
Your phone's on?
A serious situation.
It wasn't in there. It wasn't.
Shago. My people, you see how simple accidents can happen? Eh? You see how simple accidents can happen? Just imagine if you're on a plane and the plane just leave from off the ground and I go in the air and then a bird fly in one of the plane's engine. Eh? That can cause one of the plane's engine to catch on fire, you know. You see how simple accidents can happen, my people. You hear me, people? So whenever you travel, pray. See me? During you're going out and you're coming in, pray. Because me I tell you, you may never know. See? So just pray. Pray for protection. Because of some simple things, an accident happen. Obviously, the bird that flew into the plane's engine, you know, I don't even want to say it. Anyways, I just so me have a left it now, my people. Let me know what you think about the things that I talked to you about. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. On a big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.